Hello guys, very good afternoon to all of you. I am Nakul and you are watching my YouTube channel Railfile Nakul. Today is 1st of January. Today is the first day of New Year of 2022 and I wish you a very happy New Year. May this year brings happiness and prosperity in each and everyone's life and God bless us all. And today I am doing an overnight journey from Bhopal Junction till New Delhi, which is the capital of India, and the journey will be doing in 12919 down Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra, Malwa Superfast Express, and we will be doing this journey from Bhopal Junction, and our train will arrive at 5:15 p.m. on Bhopal Junction railway station, and my brother-in-law resides in Bhopal, so he will drop us to the Bhopal Junction railway station. So see you all at Bhopal Junction railway station. So finally our luggage is loaded in the vehicle and now we are ready to leave. So this is my entire family and each and everyone is wishing us for a happy and safe journey. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Newly redeveloped Rani Kamlapati railway station. We have arrived at Bhopal Junction railway station. Firozpur Chinwada Patalkot Express going towards Firozpur Junction. So right now the time is 4:40 p.m. and we have arrived at Bhopal Junction railway station. Our train will arrive at 5:20 p.m. on platform number 2 and we have arrived at platform number 2. And standing on platform number 3 is Bhopal Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Intercity Express, which runs between Bhopal Junction and Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, and this train will depart at 5:10 p.m. from platform number 3. Patalkot Express departing from platform number 3 of Bhopal Junction. The train arrived at platform number 1 is legendary Punjab Mail, which runs between Firozpur in Punjab to Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, and this train was inaugurated in the year 1912 and it was used to run between Peshawar till Ballard Pier Mall near Bombay. But after the partition of India, from one side the station was changed from Peshawar to Firozpur, and from other side it was changed from Ballard Pier to Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in the year 1914, and this train gets the topmost priority between Mumbai and New Delhi. So talking about Bhopal Junction railway station, this is the oldest railway station of Bhopal and it serves the city of Bhopal, capital of Madhya Pradesh state, and it has total 6 platforms and daily around 300 trains pass from this station, halt at this station, and 1-2 trains skip this station, and this station was built in early 20th century, and its station comes under the A1 category of Indian Railways and it comes under West Central Railway Bhopal division. And this station is situated on Delhi-Chennai main line and also on Delhi-Mumbai line via Bhusawal, Khandwa. Station code is BPL, and the other station that serves the city of Bhopal are Rani Kamlapati railway station and Sant Hardaram Nagar railway station. Legendary Punjab Mail departing from Bhopal Junction railway station, platform number 1. Train number 12138. Many important and prestigious trains of Indian Railways like Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Duronto, Garib Rath, Sampark Kranti passes through Bhopal Junction railway station, and one of the Shatabdi, that is Bhopal Shatabdi, originates from Rani Kamlapati railway station, 6 kilometers away from Bhopal Junction railway station, And Bhopal Junction, from Bhopal Junction railway station, one more ISO 9000 certified train passes, which is the first ISO 9000 certified train of India, that is Bhopal Express, which runs between Rani Kamlapati railway station and Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. This Bhopal station comes under the A1 category of Indian Railways. Therefore, you will find a very good amenities on Bhopal Junction railway station, like you will find food plaza and various other amenities, like good washrooms and retiring rooms for AC as well as for sleeper class. You will find in this railway station, and this railway station is located in the old city of Bhopal, and the Rani Kamlapati railway station is located at Maharana Pratap Nagar, which is the new Bhopal, and the Sant Hardaram Nagar railway station is located in Baragarh, about 10 kilometers from Bhopal. The train just arrived on platform number 1 is Yashwantpur Hazrat Nizamuddin Karnataka Sampark Kranti Express, and which is going towards Yashwantpur Junction and coming from Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. And this is one of the fastest Sampark Kranti of Indian Railways. So Bhopal Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Intercity Express departing from platform number 3. Shunting of Bhopal Damoh Rajya Rani Express on platform number 6. This train will depart at 5:50 p.m. from platform number 6. You can see a WEP 4 locomotive and a shunting locomotive, that is WDS 6. Train arrived on platform number 2 is Dakshin Express 12721 coming from Hyderabad Deccan Nampalli and going towards Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. This train is also popularly known as Southern Express, and it runs daily between Hyderabad and Hazrat Nizamuddin. 18236 Bilaspur Bhopal Express passenger arriving at platform number 4. Dakshin Express departing from platform number 2. Our national flag is flying high. So finally we can see our train number and coach position on the display board, and today we'll be doing journey in 3rd AC. Our coach is B4, seat number is 9, 11 and 12. I am doing this journey with my wife and my sister, so waiting for the arrival of train at platform number 2. So finally our train has arrived at platform number 2. It is led by Royapuram West 7. So finally we have boarded the train, and our seat number is 9. This is 9. This is 11. Upper berth. 9. Lower berth. Upper berth. And this is 12. That is also lower berth. So this is how the 3rd AC coach looks like. Here we have 3 berths, one lower, one middle, then upper berth. Here also one lower, one middle berth, and this upper berth. And there is a stand where you can keep your belongings. There is a big mirror, 2 coat holders, 2 charging points here for middle berth and upper berth passengers, and 2 charging points. One is here and another one is here for lower berth passengers. And this is the side berth, side lower berth, and side upper berth, and you will find charging sockets on both side upper berth and side lower berth. 12969 Coimbatore Jaipur Superfast Express coming from Coimbatore and going towards Jaipur, coming at platform number 3. So this is how the gallery area of train look like. This is a big mirror. This is the tap, and this is the wash area. This is dustbin. This is another dustbin and fire extinguisher, and it is the passage from going from one coach to another coach, and two washrooms, one at left side and the other one is at right side. Two doors, one this side and another one this side. This is the bio toilet flush, and this is the bio toilet. So it is advised not to throw any garbage or any bottles inside this bio toilet, otherwise it will choke the toilet. So now I am inside the washroom, and you can see the washroom from inside. It is having this big mirror, and this is the tap, this is the wash area, this is the dustbin, and this is western side toilet seat, and this is the flush for toilet, and this is the shower, this is the holder, and this is the air purifier, and I think this is the smoke detector, this is the main light. So the washroom, I can say it's quite clean. One more thing, you can see that this is the toilet paper. Our train has arrived almost 15 minutes behind its scheduled time, and at Bhopal Junction the loco reversal will also takes place. So estimated time of departure is around 6 p.m. So bye bye Bhopal Junction. See you soon.
This train also has one Pentrigar coach, and we have ordered our dinner from Pentrigar. We have ordered one veg thali and one veg biryani, and our food will arrive approximately 30 minutes from now. So Malwa Express is the first train used to connect with Indore and New Delhi, and this train is operated by Western Railway, Patna Division, and this train covers some important stations such as Indore Junction, then Ujjain Junction, Bhopal Junction, Bina Junction, Jhansi Junction, Gwalior, Agra Kent, Mathura, New Delhi, then Panipat, then Karnal, then Kurukshetra, Ambala Kent, then Ludhiana Junction, Jalandhar Kent, then Pathankot Kent, and Jammu Tawi, then Udaipur, and finally terminates at Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra. So it starts at 11:50 a.m. from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, and reaches Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra next day at 5:10 p.m. thus covering the entire distance in around 26 hours and 30 minutes. And average speed of this train is around 57 kilometers per hour. It reverses its loco twice during entire journey. First one at Ujjain Junction and the second one at Bhopal Junction.
So finally, after covering a distance of 139 kilometers from Bhopal Junction and around 425 kilometers from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, our train has arrived at Bina Junction railway station. Station code is BINA, and it comes under West Central Railway Bhopal Division, and its code is BINA, and it has 5 platform railway station, and daily more than 200 trains pass through the station, and it is one of the highest revenue earning station of Indian Railways. And reason why it is known as junction, because here one line comes from Bhopal, one line goes towards Gwalior Agra, one line goes towards Guna Junction, and one line goes toward Sagar, Damoh, and to Prayagraj Junction. So that is why the Bina is an important station, and many trains passes through this station as halt at Bina Junction, such as Malwa Express, GT Express, Sachkhand Express, etc. have their stops at Bina Junction. Finally, the food that we ordered from pantry has arrived. So let's check out what is inside. So first priority is to sanitize the hand. Now it's time to open the packet. So let's see what is inside. So here it is, Matar Paneer. Then we have rice, pickle, potato dry, then lentil. And we have parathas. Let's check out how many parathas are there. I guess it's 3 parathas are there. And this is veg biryani with curry. Okay. So once we finish the food, I'll give you the review. So finally we are done with our dinner, and I would rate the dinner on a scale of 1 to 10. So I would rate 8 out of 10. Overall food quantity was good, quality was also good, but the biryani was little bit spicy, and total cost of food was, the veg thali was 120 rupees and the biryani was 80 rupees. So total we had given 200 rupees. So the part 1 of this vlog finishes here, because if I will continue the vlog, this video will become very long. So first part ends here, and I hope you like my video. The second part will continue from Lalitpur Junction till New Delhi. So if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and please give me your valuable feedback so that I can improve myself in upcoming videos. Thank you friends, and God bless you all.